Hello, I'm Dr. Olaf Andersen in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics at Weill Cornell Medical College in New York City.
My name is Helgi Ingolfson. I'm a computational biomedicine student in the lab of Olaf Andersen.
And I'm Shemille Collingwood, a research technician also from the Andersen lab.
Today we will show you how to form a planar bilayer, how to isolate a small membrane using the bilayer punch electrode, how to record single channel activity, and how to analyze the results and thereby use Gramicidin channels as probes of lipid bilayer properties. In a previous video we showed you how to get ready for these experiments. We showed you how to prepare the chamber that we use, and we showed you how to prepare the bilayer punch electrode that we use to isolate the small area of membrane where we record the channel activity.
So let's punch some bilayers.
To begin setting up for bilayer experiments, add 2.5 mL of the temperature equilibrated electrolyte solution to each compartment of the pre-painted chamber. The solution we usually use is 1 molar sodium chloride plus 10 millimolar HEPs buffered to pH 7. Adjust the microscope and the light source so the hole in the Teflon is centered in your field of view and brightly illuminated. Insert the glass micropipette into a microelectrode holder. Connect a syringe